Hi, you might remember me from 9 years ago when I did this video. I'm Allison, Tim's daughter, and my dad owns Apogee Rockets. We have now moved, so you will get a new tour of the new building. Come inside. So as you walk into Apogee, you will see all these rockets. This is their new conference room, not just the break room. We have a separate one now. And as you will come in, you will see Pluto, who is the greeter. Come here, Pluto. Pluto, come. Come here. We've had Pluto for about 13 years now, and he has been with us since the old building. When you walk in, you'll meet Jordan, who is a customer service employee. And you also see my dad, the owner of Apogee. As you continue down walking this way, you'll see Sarah, who also works in customer service, who's on the phone right now. As you walk down the offices hall, you'll find Michelle, who is the manager and pretty much does everything. There's Pluto. These are empty offices that we will hope to fill when we expand the company. And in here, we have Will. Say hi, Will. He is the web design person. And this is my dad's office, where Pluto hangs out most of the time. And across the hall from him is Chris, who is the graphic design artist.
Hello.
Hello. This is the production room and the sales floor for all the rocket kits. This way, if you come in, you can shop down all these aisles to find whatever you may need. Down these aisles are individual parts for rockets, and that's Samuel, who works in the back. And then down these aisles are rocket kits that you can buy and put together. More of the sales floor. In this room, it is the movie studio, which has not been set up yet because we have just moved and not everything has been put back to where it needs to be. But my dad will do his videos in here and do all the photos in here. And then over here, we have some more of the fun stuff. So we have the 3D printer. And over here is the laser cutter, which it looks like it is cutting something right now. And then we have a vinyl printer back here to print decals for rockets. And over here we have Kyler, who works in the back. And over here is all my dad's storage for some of his rockets and some of my rockets. These are some of mine. This is one of my Saturn 1Bs, which I think I flew this one in Bulgaria at the World Space Modeling Championships, but it could just be one of the extra ones I built. I'm not really sure. But we have all kinds of competition rockets and sport rockets. We have everything you could think of because we built so many. Here's more of the production. So these are mostly parts that have not been packaged yet. They're like parts to be used for the future. They're overstocked. And this is my dad's work area. He builds all his rockets back here, and me and Ashley, when we have to build rockets, build all our rockets back here. And over here is where we package all your orders. So if you order anything, it will get packaged back here in the packaging station. And there's Samuel again. So we're back to Jordan and Sarah. They were on the phone earlier, but now they're to talk. And this is the break room, which we now have a separate break and meeting room, so that's nice. And here's more of the rockets. And my dad. Thank you for touring Apogee with me. You're more than welcome to stop by anytime. Everybody here and Pluto would love to see you. I will also be attending college next fall studying biomedical sciences, and I plan to go to medical school after my bachelor's degree. And medical school is very expensive, so if you would like to donate anything, even $5, everything would be greatly appreciated. You can donate by going to the website listed up here and using the contact form, or we will set up a link so you can donate. Thank you so much. We'd love to see you. Bye.